डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस, रोज बोले जाने वाले अंग्रेजी वाक्य। नाउ इट इज़ फाइन, अब ठीक है। नाउ इट इज़ फाइन। प्राइसेस आर राइजिंग अप, कीमतें बढ़ रही है। प्राइसेस आर राइजिंग अप। बीइंग अ टीचर, इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी टू गिव राइट एजुकेशन टू स्टूडेंट्स। शिक्षक होने के नाते छात्रों को सही शिक्षा देना हमारा कर्तव्य है। Being a teacher is our duty to give right education to students. Whatever happens, चाहे जो हो जाए, whatever happens, you won't go anywhere. She herself will come to you. तुम कहीं नहीं जाओगे, वह खुद तेरे पास आएगी. You won't go anywhere. She herself will come to you. Do I say one thing? He is telling a lie to you. एक बात बोलूं, वो तुमसे झूठ बोल रहा है। Do I say one thing? He is telling a lie to you. Excuse me sir, you dropped your wallet. माफ कीजिएगा सर, आपका वॉलेट नीचे गिर गया है। Excuse me sir, you dropped your wallet. Don't say such things for her. उसके लिए ऐसी बात मत बोलो। Don't say such things for her. Don't take it to heart. दिल पे मत लो। Don't take it to heart. If he knew it, he would never hide this fact from me. अगर वह जानता होता तो यह बात मुझसे कभी नहीं छुपाता। If he knew it, he would never hide this fact from me. I can't see you like this. मैं तुम्हें ऐसे नहीं देख सकता। I can't see you like this. We still have an hour left. हमारे पास अभी भी 1 घंटा बचा है। We still have an hour left. Put it on speaker. स्पीकर पर लगाओ। Put it on speaker. Has mother not told you yet? क्या मम्मी ने तुम्हें अभी तक नहीं बताया? Has mother not told you yet? Absolutely, he looks just like you. बिल्कुल, वह बिल्कुल तुम्हारे जैसा दिखता है। Absolutely, he looks just like you. Does he need money? क्या उसे पैसों की ज़रूरत है? Does he need money? Let happen. Whatever is going on. जो हो रहा है होने दो। Let happen. Whatever is going on. I know the woman whose child was hurt. मैं उस औरत को जानता हूँ जिसके लड़के को चोट लगी थी। I know the woman whose child was hurt. It's no use telling you anything. तुम्हें कुछ कहने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है। It's no use telling you anything. No favor at all. This is only my duty. अरे एहसान कैसा, ये तो मेरा फ़र्ज था। No favor at all. This is only my duty. It was holiday day before yesterday. परसों छुट्टी थी। It was holiday day before yesterday. Could he make her laugh? क्या वो उसे हंसा सका? Could he make her laugh? I reached there around 3 o'clock. मैं वहाँ लगभग 3 बजे पहुँचा। I reached there around 3 o'clock. I used to study a lot so as to score good marks. मैं बहुत पढ़ता था ताकि अच्छे नंबर ला पाऊँ। I used to study a lot so as to score good marks. It is no good calling him at this time. उसे बुलाना सही नहीं है इस समय। It is no good calling him at this time. Anything could have happened. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything could have happened. You have gone mad. पागल हो गया है तू। You have gone mad. I will come till 9 o'clock. मैं 9 बजे तक आ जाऊँगा। I will come till 9 o'clock. What to read? क्या पढ़ना है? What to read? That's all fine, but why did you shout? वो सब तो ठीक है पर तुम चिल्लाए क्यों? That's all fine, but why did you shout? Will you come with me to the market? क्या तुम मेरे साथ मार्केट आओगे? Will you come with me to the market? Give him my regards. उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार कहना. Give him my regards. I go to sleep early at night. मैं रात को जल्दी सो जाता हूँ. I go to sleep early at night. So, see this video again and again and revise these all sentences. Okay? Till then, bye bye.